In the first 5 months of 2026, companies cut 87,714 jobs and blamed artificial intelligence. For the whole of last year, that number was 54,000. It nearly doubled in 5 months. This is not a prediction anymore. A recent report found that artificial intelligence is now the single most common reason companies give when they announce job cuts. Not overhiring, not the economy. Automation named out loud in the press release. Look at the names. Amazon removed 14,000 corporate roles and said that leaner teams simply move faster. Workday cut about 1,750 people, 8% of its staff, and moved that money straight into artificial intelligence. Across the technology industry, more than 140,000 jobs went this year. And here is the strange part. Many of those companies were profitable. They were cutting staff to help pay for a $700 billion building spree. And that spree is physical warehouses filled with computers, cooling systems the size of office blocks, power stations booked years in advance. The money did not vanish. It simply moved out of paying people and into buying machines that never sleep. So now, the uncomfortable question, who is actually exposed here? The pattern is the opposite of what almost everybody expected. 27% of workers holding a university degree sit in highly exposed jobs. For those with no high school diploma, 3%. Read that again. The safest work right now is the work that needs hands, not degrees. Plumbing, electrical work, care work, driving a van. The jobs once called unskilled are exactly what a language model cannot do from inside a data center. Finance is next in the queue. Wall Street banks are planning to remove about 200,000 roles over the next 3 to 5 years. The cuts land hardest on entry-level and back-office work, which means the first rung of the ladder is being taken away. So is this the end of work? No, and the honest numbers matter here. The World Economic Forum expects 92 million jobs to disappear by 2030. It also expects 170 million new ones created. That is a net gain of 78 million jobs. But a net number hides the pain inside it. The person who loses a job today is rarely the same person who gets the new one in 2030. Different city, different skills, different life. So what actually protects you? Not the certificate on your wall. Being the person who uses these tools instead of competing against them. Learning the parts of your job that a machine still cannot reach. The work is not ending. It is being rewritten fast.